Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel and it's me here with my today's lecture, that is Urdu versus English of future indefinite tense of passive voice sentences. Like active voice sentences are a bit easier, for passive voice sentences you need to practice. The sentence structure for passive voice sentences are already discussed in most of the videos, but still I am here with that sentence structure, and the sentence structure is that subject plus proper usage of helping verb according to the tense plus third form of verb, that is past participle, then we go for our preposition by, and then at the end we have object, but this object and by is always optional. Starting with the affirmative sentences, I'll start with indefinite tense, and helping verbs for indefinite tense are will be and shall be according to the proper subject. And at the end of Urdu sentences we have ga, ge and gi. The very first sentence is ye match Karachi mein khela jayega. Now it means that someone will perform this action, but here the subject is not mentioned, and the English translation is this match will be played in Karachi. As I have told you that by someone or by any pronoun it's not necessary, so it's not mentioned here. कल अस्पताल का इफ्तिताह किया जाएगा. The hospital will be inaugurated tomorrow. इस नज़म का तर्जुमा किया जाएगा. This poem will be translated. इस साल कपास ज़्यादा रकबे पर उगाई जाएगी. Cotton will be grown on larger area this year. शहर को बचाने के लिए इक़दामात किए जाएंगे. Steps will be taken to save the city. रेलवे स्टेशन पर उनको सलाम किया जाएगा. They will be greeted at the railway station. मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल बसों के अड्डे पर किया जाएगा. The guests will be received at the bus stand. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज जीतने वाली टीम को शील्ड दी जाएगी. The winning team will be awarded the shield. हमें नतीजे की इत्ला दी जाएगी. We shall be informed of the result. हर गरीब आदमी को एक किल्ता ज़मीन दिया जाएगा. Every poor man will be given a plot of land or a piece of land. हर माजूर आदमी की मदद की जाएगी. Every disabled person will be helped. दरख्तों के पत्ते जला दिए जाएंगे. The leaves of trees will be burnt. Now negative sentences, इस हुक्म को नहीं माना जाएगा. This order will not be obeyed. इस किताब पर पाबंदी नहीं लगाई जाएगी. This book will not be banned. मजीद को मुलाजमत से बरतरफ नहीं किया जाएगा. मजीद will not be dismissed from service. हमें ये इमारत बगैर किराए के नहीं दी जाएगी. We shall not be given this building free of rent. वक्त से पहले मुझे जाने नहीं दिया जाएगा. I shall not be allowed to go before time. बिजली का खंभा यहाँ नहीं लगाया जाएगा. The electric pole will not be installed here. मोटर गाड़ियाँ यहाँ खड़ी नहीं की जाएंगी. Motor vehicles will not be parked here. उसकी ख्वाहिश पूरी नहीं की जाएगी. His wish will not be granted. तुम्हारे भाई का तबादला लाहौर नहीं किया जाएगा. Your brother will not be transferred to Lahore. इस गाड़ी में मेरे लिए बर्थ मखसूस नहीं की जाएगी. A berth will not be reserved for me in this train. छुरियाँ उस वक्त तेज़ नहीं की जाएंगी. Knives will not be sharpened at this time. बैंक 12 बजे बंद नहीं किया जाएगा. The bank will not be closed at 12 o'clock. Now interrogative sentences. क्या उसको हॉस्टल से निकाल दिया जाएगा? Will he be turned out of the hostel? क्या दीवारों पर इश्तिहार लगाए जाएंगे? Will the posters be pasted on the walls? हमें जुर्माना क्यों किया जाएगा? Why shall we be fined? ये टैक्स कैसे वसूल किया जाएगा? How will this tax be recovered? इन तस्वीरों की नुमाइश कहाँ की जाएगी? Where will these pictures be exhibited? इनामात कब तकसीम किए जाएंगे? When will the prizes be distributed? कर्जा कब अदा किया जाएगा? When will the loan be repaid? When we have WH words, then after WH word we have to use helping verb will, then subject and then be is used and then third form of verb. क्या मुझे अगले स्टॉप पर उतारा जाएगा? Will I be dropped at the next stop? ये कहानी कब सुनाई जाएगी? When will this story be told? हमारा इम्तिहान कब लिया जाएगा? When shall we be examined? Now it's time for future perfect tense. As for future tense, only two tenses are supposed to be changed into passive voice. So continuous and perfect continuous tense are not supposed to be changed into passive voice. For future perfect tense, the sentence structure will remain the same. The helping verbs will be will have been and shall have been. And for Urdu identification, at the end of the sentences, we will have चुका होगा, चुके होंगे, चुकी होगी, लिया होगा, लिए होंगे, ली होगी, दिया होगा, दिए होंगे, दी होगी, etc. The very first sentence is उसे तरक्की दी जा चुकी होगी. He will have been promoted. Definitely promotion will have been given by someone, but it is not mentioned here. पहलवान शिकस्त खा चुका होगा. The wrestler will have been defeated. हमारी टीम को तमगे दिए जा चुके होंगे. Our team will have been awarded medals. मुजरिम को सज़ा दी जा चुकी होगी. The culprit will have been punished. गला अब तक पीसा जा चुका होगा. Corn will have been ground by now. कैदियों को कैदखाने से निकाला जा चुका होगा. Prisoners will have been taken out of the prison. जानवर ज़बह खाने भेजे जा चुके होंगे. Animals will have been sent to the slaughter house. लिफाफे पर पता लिखा जा चुका होगा. The address will have been written on the envelope. उसे नौकर रख लिया गया होगा. He will have been employed. मेरी तकर्री बतौर जूनियर क्लर्क कर दी गई होगी. My appointment as a junior clerk will have been made. हमें मकान किराए पर दिया गया होगा. We shall have been given the house on rent. कॉलेज की बुनियाद रखी जा चुकी होगी. The foundation of the college will have been laid. And the last sentence for positive aspect is अफसर का तबादला हो चुका होगा. The officer will have been transferred. Now it's time for negative and interrogative sentences. The very first one is दरख्त काटे नहीं जा चुके होंगे. Trees will not have been cut. उसे उसकी उजरत अदा नहीं की गई होगी. He will not have been paid his wages. शहर में अमन बहाल नहीं किया गया होगा. Peace will not have been restored in the city. शाही महल को आग नहीं लगाई गई होगी. The royal palace will not have been burnt. ज़ईफ़ आदमी को उसकी पेंशन अदा नहीं की गई होगी. The old man will not have been paid his pension. सिपाही को फौजी वर्दी नहीं दी गई होगी. The soldier will not have been given the military uniform. चीज़ें उधार फरोख्त नहीं की गई होंगी. Things will not have been sold on credit. क्या तुमसे ये सवाल पूछा गया होगा? Will you have been asked this question? कितने आदमियों को बचाया गया होगा? How many people will have been rescued? क्या उसको माफ़ किया जा चुका होगा? Will he have been forgiven? क्या मैं पहचाना जा चुका हूँगा? Shall I have been identified? क्या तालिब इल्म इंग्लिस्तान भेजा जा चुका होगा? Will the student have been sent to England? लड़कियों को सिलाई की तरबियत कहाँ दी जा चुकी होगी? Where will the girls have been trained in sewing? क्या बाज़ आदमियों को राज बताया जा चुका होगा? Will some men have been told the secret? So this is the end of all the aspects of tenses, their active voice and their passive voice, Urdu versus English. I hope most of the students have grabbed the idea, and this will be highly encouraged. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll definitely try to answer your questions. Just stay tuned and I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.